Welcome to Linux Overdose, Episode 7, Part 6, and this is a continuance of Debian 8.4, Jessie GNOME. And today's episode is going to be about installing Debian 8.4 on a solid-state drive. And I'm using the video camera. So, get out of this. Exit this. And we're going to reboot the system to get into BIOS. And I'll be hitting the delete button during post. So now I want to hit the continue button, the delete button, and I'm in BIOS. And what I want to do is go in classic mode, which is to the right here, and then I want to go to peripherals, and I want to go to SATA configurations, and I figure out which one was the drive that has Voyager on, which is port 2, because you see it's enabled, and I disable port 3. So what I need to do is disable this, and it's disabled. Then I need to enable port 3. Okay, so disable, enable. So what I'm going to do is save and exit. Save and exit. And save my configurations and reset. Say yes. Alright, now it should reboot and we should have no hard drive indicated, which that's what it says right here. And reboot and proper boot device, or install boot media to select boot device and press any key. So I'll go ahead and put in my Debian drive, or Debian DVD that we burn. So I'll put it in the system, and then all I have to do is press any key, and we should boot off that media disk, because it's already set to boot off the DVD, as I showed you in the. Then right here it is. We're going to do the graphical install, and it's going to be the same way we set it up to the VirtualBox. So, and that's how easy it is to install it. And it's just the same steps as before. And this is installing on my secondary drive. The other one's disabled, so it cannot see it or touch it. And that's how simple it is to install Linux on your system. It's not hard at all. And my host name, since I'm going to put it on my hard drive here, I'll call it Debian 8, and press continue. And then here I just leaving it blank. And then here's the root password, which I just make up one. And then re-enter it. Press continue. Full name of user, I'm going to use Jim Cracks, that's what I go by. And then continue. Continue. And password for the user. And then hit continue. And we'll go East Indiana. And I'm going to do the entire disk, so continue. And then it just finds one, so go ahead and continue. And all files on one partition, continue. And finish, and then this is it. This is how they're going to do it, and then I just say continue. And then it says make the changes, so yes, I do want to continue from here. And then there it's installing, and remember it's installing on the empty drive because I disabled the other one, and we're booting off where it said it didn't detect a hard drive, so we should be safe. And now it's creating a ext4 file system for the root, which is the partition 1, and now it's installing the base system. And I'm still going to go choose GNOME when we get to that point. So to get a clear how to install this, you can watch a previous episode, how to install this in a VirtualBox. I'm just showing you how to install it on a solid state drive, which is the same thing. You just have to go to BIOS, switch your boot order, which by already changed it to DVD, which I explained in the previous episode. So if you follow me on my episodes, you won't get lost, or hopefully you don't get lost how to do things. Any questions, just email me or post. Alright, do you wish to scan another? So I'm saying no on this. Continue. And scan another DVD. No. Alright, now it's network mirror. To install through the DVD contains a large. Some may be missing. If you have a reasonable good internet, use the mirror. So yes, I want to use the mirror. And United States. And the default one, which is the first one. And I just leave this blank. This is your HTTP proxy access if you're outside network, I guess. So okay, now it's continuing. Now it's selecting and installing software. And do I want to do some kind of survey thing here? I'll say no. And which desktop I want to, I'm going to say no. And that's all I'm going to do, and then continue, and now it's installing GNOME, which will have the same look as we've seen before. So, because we're using the same DVD, except I use the ISO instead of DVD, so it's the same thing. So, and everything should work just like before. I'll have to put some plugins and all that. So I'll walk you through what I'm going to do. Is after this reboots, that'll be the end of this episode, and then I'll install Simple Screen Recorder and record like I did before when I review the VirtualBox one. So I'll have to do that. And it's retrieving 1,524 files, and so far we're at just hitting 300. So I ain't gonna continue this. I'm gonna go ahead and end this. You can watch the rest of it if you missed the VirtualBox one. You can watch how I finish installing this. All I'm going to do is finish this and reboot, take the DVD out, and then set it up for the next episode. So talk to you later. Bye.